Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here two questions are written. These questions are from quadrilateral chapter of your NCERT book. So today we will discuss how you will write the solution of this question, how you will make the figure and write the solution. So let us see. First question, what first question is saying? First question is saying that is so that line segment joining the midpoints of the opposite side of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Okay. So there is a quadrilateral. So first of all make quadrilateral. Suppose a quadrilateral is there. Okay. So A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral is there. Okay. And line segment joining the midpoint of the opposite side. So you have to take midpoint of the opposite side. Suppose so take midpoint of all P, Q, R, S. So see we are joining all the points. Okay. Okay. So we get PQRS one also quadrilateral. Now what is saying is that joining the line segment joining the midpoint of the opposite side. Suppose AB and EC are the opposite side. So if you will join midpoint of this, okay, and this side opposite, if you will join, then it is bisect each other. Suppose at O is intersecting, so you will prove that key RP, PR and QS. PR and QS bisect each other. Okay, you have to prove this. So how you will prove this? So if you make PQRS a parallelogram, if you prove that ki PQRS is a parallelogram, then you can say that ki diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Now a question arises how you will prove that ki PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, so make any make a diagonal of ABCD. Okay, so suppose you are making a diagonal. See here, we are joining AC for making the diagonal of ABCD. So see here, S and R the midpoint. So SR will be parallel to AC and half of AC, and in triangle ABC, if PQ and R the midpoint, so PQ is parallel to AC and half of it. By comparing both, then SR become parallel to PQ and equal also. So if one opposite side pair is equal and parallel of a quadrilateral, then that quadrilateral is called as parallelogram. Okay, so and the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. In this way, you can prove that. Now, first of all, write here given part. What is given here? So here given is P, Q, R, and S are midpoints of AB, BC, CD, and AD respectively. Okay, you have to to prove prove PR and QS bisect each other. That is, you can say that the PQRS is parallelogram. Means indirectly you have to prove that the PQRS is a parallelogram. So how you will prove? So for this purpose, you have to do the construction. You have to do the construction join AC or BD. Either you have to join AC or BD. Okay, so I am showing by using AC, so you can do by joining BD. Okay, so let us start our proof. In proof, what you will write? In triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, what is given? S and R are midpoints of AD and DC respectively. Why it is given? It is given. So you can say that SR is equal to half of AC, and SR is parallel to AC. So take it as first equation. Now in triangle ABC, what is given? What you will write? P and Q are midpoints of AB and BC respectively. Why it is also given? So you can write PQ is equal to half of AC and PQ is parallel to AC also. Here you have to write reason why by MPT theorem. By MPT midpoint theorem. So take it as first and take it as second. Now from first and second, you can write PQ is equal to SR, and PQ is parallel to SR. So you can write PQRS is parallelogram, one pair of write this here. So PQRS is parallelogram as one pair of opposite side is parallel and equal. Okay. Therefore you can say that ki PR and what you have PR and QS bisect each other because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. So in this way you will prove this. See here how you will write the solution of given question. Okay. Now let us see next question. Next question is saying that ABC is a triangle right angle at C. So here ABC is a right angle triangle A C A B C here at C 90 degrees there. Okay. A line through the midpoint of of hypotenuse AB. There is a midpoint of AB. M is there. So a line through it parallel to BC, that is parallel to meet at AC at D. Okay. So here AC is at D. Okay. Now you have to prove D is a midpoint of AC. You have to prove. After that, MD is MD is perpendicular to AC. You have to prove. Okay. After that, you have to prove CM is equal to MA. Now you have to join CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB. So see how you will prove. See here, as it is given that DM is a line through midpoint M of hypotenuse parallel. Parallel is given, na? So DM is parallel to BC. So you can say that and M is midpoint, so you can say that D is also a midpoint by converse of MPT. Second thing, DM is parallel to BC, then this is 90, then this will also 90. So you can say that DM is perpendicular. After that, make this triangle congruent each other. Okay, so you have to show CM is equal to MA. So CM is equal to MA. How you when you will make? So see, the AD is equal to DC because D is midpoint and is perpendicular. Both are 90 degree and DM is common. So by SS both triangle congruent each other, you can say CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB. So see here, first of all, you will write given part. What is given part here? In given part, you will write angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. First thing you will write. Second thing you will write M is midpoint. M is midpoint of AB. And third thing is given DM is parallel to CB. DM is parallel to CB is given. Okay. To prove, you have to prove. First, D is midpoint. D is midpoint of AC. Second thing you have to prove, MD perpendicular to AC. MD perpendicular to AC. Third thing you have to prove, CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB. Now let us start our proof, oil proof. See, so see here, as DM is parallel to CB, right? In triangle ACB, M is midpoint of AB. Why it is given, and DM is parallel to CB. It is also given. So you can say that D is midpoint of AC. Why? By MPT, sorry, converse of MPT. Converse of MPT. Okay, MPT. So D is midpoint. Now you have to show what? MD is perpendicular. Okay, so see here, as DM is parallel to CB. As DM is parallel to CB, it is given. So angle ADM is equal to angle ACB is equal to ACB corresponding angles. So angle ADM is equal to 90 degree will be, as angle ACB is equal to 90 degree given it is. Okay, in this way you will write. Therefore you can say that DM is perpendicular to AC. So second thing have proved. Okay, so first thing was this one, second thing this one. Now you have to prove CM is equal to MA. So now in triangle AMD and triangle CMD. So what you will write? AD is equal to CD. Why? D is midpoint. D is midpoint of AC proved above. Proved above. First of all, you will write. Okay. Now, second thing, what you will write? Now, second thing, you will write what? AD is equal to DC. DM is common. You will write. And third thing is angle ADM is equal to angle CDM is equal to 90 degree. In reason you will write DM is perpendicular to AC, proved above. Proved above. So you can say that triangle ADM congruent to triangle CDM. Therefore you can say that AM is equal to CM. So you can say that CM is equal to AM, or you can write CM is equal to AM is equal to half of AB, half of AB, as M is midpoint of AB. Okay, it is given. It is given. So in this way you will prove all the things. See, this one is the third one. So first one was this one, second was this one, and third one this one. So in this way you will write the solution of a given question. So I hope you have understood the solution of these two questions. Okay. So if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it. And if any query is there, then comment in comment box. And if you are facing any doubt in any question, so take pic of that question and send me at my WhatsApp number. Here I am going to leave my WhatsApp number. Write down my WhatsApp number, and my WhatsApp number is 7855036211 is my WhatsApp number. Okay, so at this number you will send me pic of that question in which you are facing in which you are facing problem. I will make video of that question so that your doubt will be cleared by the video. Okay, till now, wait for the next video. In next video, we will come some more things related to your NCERT book. Okay, till now, thank you. Have a nice day and wait for the next video. Okay, thank you.